The Marshalls Group has roughly 400 million turnover and just under 3,000 staff. We have 54 sites. We have a complete distribution network, so we can deliver to anywhere in the UK. Our core offer is concrete and natural stone hard landscaping products for both domestic and commercial areas. We deliver the whole range of services through the design, the provision of the products, the installations that could include the lighting, the street furniture, drainage products and the actual hard landscaping itself. We chose Dynamics AX to fit with our business strategy, which was to grow the company predominantly through acquisition. We've been buying roughly 2 to 3 companies a year, and every time it would have a different system solution. And our existing ERP solution, which was Barn, was not really scalable and not flexible in terms of fitting all these different business models. With Dynamics AX, we can get the benefits of that acquisition far quicker. So that means the shareholders get a faster return on investment.
We use Exapta to capture data real time, so the system is constantly live. Everyone in the business uses it, from the storeman to the MD.
We are now able to look at common suppliers and customers and actually negotiate better deals across the group. We can leverage the economies of scale by having centralised functions that need fewer people.
We now produce all our management accounts from the system. This has allowed us to reduce our financial team headcount by 50%. We now get some fantastic sales analysis. Previously, we could see the sales but not by product level. We now know exactly which products we've sold, how much we've sold, and the margins that we've made on those products, which is great information to help us develop products for the future. We've found raising of sales orders so much quicker. It integrates very, very well with our fast quote system and allows you to convert a quotation into an order in seconds. This allows the internal sales staff to spend more time on following up leads, talking to customers, to generate new business rather than just processing data. We actually attach all of the documents relevant to a project into the system. Previous to that, we used to have reams of paper files. Now it's all held electronically at everyone's fingertips.
We feed information into Word documents, which gives the business the facility to have layouts that are specific for their customer needs, but they can get the information direct from AX as opposed to having to retype it. Those sort of integration tools are fantastic.
We were asked by the business to sell some of our products online. So fairly rapidly we were able to put together a web company within Dynamics AX, build a front end using .NET and integrate the two together so that pricing, stock, product descriptions, the catalogues are all driven in real time from Dynamics AX. It automatically does order confirmations, delivery notes, picking notes are all produced without any keying in from any of our internal staff.
We now have stock item codes for every bit of material that comes into the business. Stock taking, which used to mean closing the business down for a fortnight, is now done in a weekend because every item is barcoded and scanned into the system. So it's really reduced the costs of counting the stock, but also improved the accuracy of our stocks.
Getting it right first time is essential, and we're achieving that every time we're putting AX in. That greater visibility of the overall customer experience is being reflected in our customer service levels. So it's resulted in us reducing our errors and our rectification costs.
I've got over 20 years experience of implementing ERP packages. I've worked on many different packages such as SAP, Barn, JD Edwards. And I would say from my experience that Dynamics AX is easily the best of those packages because of the benefits that it gives us in terms of flexibility. The general usability of the system can be customised quickly and easily, and that reduces lead times.
Marshalls is a business undergoing significant transformation. Clearly AX and eBECS are a core component of that transformation. By utilising more of the Microsoft stack, there are clear gains to be obtained in terms of total cost of ownership and return on investment.
It's very important that we have a system that's intuitive. We certainly find that Dynamics AX gives us that. It's easy of use, encourages people to use it to its full potential. It has the ability to adapt screens, menus as well as forms, and be able to label things in ways that people understand. People do feel comfortable with the solution. The time it takes to train someone up is much shortened through the use of Dynamics AX.
They get to know your business inside out. They're not like an external company who just come in and do a job. They're almost part of our team, really. And that gives us a massive benefit because we can just send them into a particular business and unaided they can actually talk directly with the end users and management. They can work at all levels of the business from end users to the senior managers, and we trust them to come back and recommend the ideal solution for that particular implementation. So nothing but good words to say about eBECS. It does actually achieve everything that they say it does in terms of flexibility, the level of integration, the usability of the system are all top notch, so there's no regrets at all from our point of view of picking the package, and I would recommend AX to anyone else.
We have fantastic information now, so we know how we're doing on a day-by-day basis. It gives you the bad things, it tells you the good things, but it allows you to actually create action plans and make the business better in the future.